Alright, so in this one we're checking out the fat rat that I built. I streamed the build and I also made a video about boxing it up. You can check those links in the description. And I actually messed up the voice on this video, so I didn't record my mic. This is a do-over or a voiceover. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna do some editing and we're gonna hear the sounds of the fat rat with some of my playing. And in this video I'm playing an actual amp, my Dewil Jackman 2. So we're gonna be hearing that, and I'm gonna be showing you the clean channel and then the drive channel, and both of them with the rat, how the rat sounds like on them. And hey, if you're new to pedal building, check out my channel for other stuff regarding all of that. Lots of info there. Alright, let's get into it. So that's the clean channel of the Dewil. It's not totally clean, but I'll say pretty clean. Could clean it up with the guitar's volume. So there we go. Let's press on the rat. Yeah, it's a distortion, so that's pretty juicy, I think. Yeah, we got some controls here: volume, gain, we get the fat switch, then the clipping switch here, and of course we got the filter as well. Yeah, my hands are all over and shaking like crazy. But yeah, let's hear, well, it appears the filter first, so let's see what that does. And then let's make it bright and turn it all the way to the left. So that's the filter, a bit in reverse compared to other pedals that usually when you roll right, it gets brighter. That's the clipping switch. We can hear it gets a bit, I think a bit, well, brighter, sharper, and then so they can be pretty subtle. You can hear them, but they are much more audible with, I think, lesser gain. Could be with different amp settings. Oh, that's too much gain. That's the squeal. Yeah. Yeah, so there we go. Tell me if you can hear the differences in there. Let's turn down the gain. Well, you can use this as a much milder. And then you can really hear it. The switch is working. Like I said. There we go. Gotta have a rat. You gotta have a rat. Alright, thank you for watching. That was the Fat Rat. Like I said, videos about the build available on my channel. Check out the links in the description. And check out some other videos about the builds I've done. Welcome to join me on the streams. Layouts to these are in the description as well. And thank you for watching. I'm off. Have fun and rock on. Yeah.